Well, class, in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to customize one more thing about your Gmail account, and this is the theme. You'll notice, well, perhaps, that right now we're just in the basic Gmail theme. There's really nothing, just white, black, and gray with some of the labels we created. But to add a little more color or style to this, you can do it one and two ways. You can come up here to your settings gearbox, click on that, and scroll down. You'll see themes right here. Or you can click on settings, and you'll notice the very last option here in settings is themes. So go ahead and click on set theme, and you can scroll through this. You can choose any one of their default themes, or you can even upload your own photos. If you have a photo that you like or something you've saved from the internet, you can create that. There's more images, and there's a basic themes, and scroll down. So scroll through and find one you like and add a little more style to your Gmail account. Thank you.